Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to J Luther TV. Back at you guys with another reaction. Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to J Luther TV, and I'm back at you guys with another reaction. Now we'll be reacting to the Trashmen, Surfin Bird. This is another request from my grandfather, so I'm very excited. Let's get right into it. He said I'm going to want to jam, so let's go.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird is a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well,
hold on. This is from Family Guy. This is from an episode of Family Guy. I remember watching when I was younger. When Peter Griffin, haven't heard this song in a long time. He found it at a diner that he went to, and he was just so addicted to it. So the whole episode was about this song, not the full song, just the chorus. I gotta rewind this because I always wanted.
well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird is a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird is a winner. Well, the bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird is a winner. Well, the bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a winner. Well, the bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody's talking about the bird. Well, the bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird.
Man, that was so entertaining, man. If you can entertain me, you got a fan out. You made a fan out of me. You've made a true fan out of me, man. I'm just so blessed to hear all this beautiful music and enjoy it. It's so crazy to me because I always get asked, is there an artist that you reacted to that you don't like, but you just act like you liked it because you want to entertain your fans, or you don't want to disappoint anybody? Let me tell you guys something. I got over 1,000 reactions. You guys can go through my reactions and see there were songs where I'll tell you I don't like this or I'm not feeling this song, even though I get a lot of backlash from it. Like, you'll see the negative comments on it, but I'm who I am. I got to be real about it. This is one of those ones where this is so entertaining that I have to download it like ASAP, like when I'm done with this, so I can dance to it again. This has helped me with my fitness also, because I've been in the gym. I've been in the gym so much, I lost over 15 pounds. So that's why I was able to stand up and dance again. But this is so entertaining, man. I had so much fun making this. I'm sweating. I needed this. I needed this one right here. This is true entertainment, man. Bravo. Bravo. Man, if you guys enjoyed that as much as I did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's continue to grow. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Love you guys.